Hello, my name is Mike Hendricks and I work here at MarineMax in Mission View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at this 2025 Grady-White 215 Freedom. The options on this boat, it is an ocean mist. It is a full hull color, which gives you the color all the way down to the keel. We now have color matched Yamaha F250 on this boat with digital electric steering. This boat is also equipped with a ski pylon here at the back. We have a deluxe 2 helm seat. It also has the sleeper seat on this side. They fold out and make a little sleeper. You'll also notice that you have a tread, easy access into the boat with a tread on this side of this board here. And if it flips over, you have the cushion on the other side. This boat has the bimini top, 3-sided enclosures also included with a drop curtain in the back. The boat is standard with a portable head. And we have here our Yamaha screen display, fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift, Bennett trim tabs, and then nice seating and storage moving forward. You even get some tackle storage there. 2 fish boxes under the front seats, and your anchor storage in the back. For information on this boat or others that we have in stock, please give us a call here at MarineMax in Ocean View, New Jersey.